Hey gang, I'm going to show you how to set up Illustrator so it looks like it does in most of my videos. Illustrator continues to change sometimes in the middle of the semester. So this is referring to the newest iteration, the 2019 CC version of Illustrator. I've gone ahead and just opened the application and I'm going to just say create new just to get something up here and start laying this out the way I want to. So it doesn't really matter the size of this. Okay, now that you can see this, here's what I'm going to do. If your tools do not look like mine, you might have this ... on the bottom. You want to go into that, and what you can do is in the top menu right up here, click, and you can set it to basic or advanced, or you can reset it if it has been changed. I would put it at advanced because that will actually put your tools where I have them on all of the toolbar. Basic will actually eliminate some of your tools, and we're going to learn a lot of them. So you want to set it on advanced, maybe reset it first, then set it in advanced, and then you're good to go with that. The other thing that I've noticed has started happening, at least in our lab at Leeward Community College, is that sometimes this control bar up top isn't showing. So if yours is not showing, I refer to using that a lot in my videos, and you just need to go under Window, and right here where there's a check mark on Control, yours is probably unchecked. So make sure you check it. So you can see Unchecked, Window, Control, just like that. Okay, those two simple things are going to help you to navigate through these videos and use Illustrator a little more hassle-free, so you're not worried about finding your tools and being able to just use the same selections that I'm using. Okay, hope this helps. Have a wonderful week.